So welcome back. So we're going to keep working on this Bart, Lisa, and Maggie problem. So here is what we're going to do. I'm gonna change an idea first. So I'm gonna loop through all the name. However, for step 2, here's what I'm gonna do. So for step 2, it's gonna be steps 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for step 2, I'm gonna add names to an empty to an array. Alright. That way we will have all the data inside of our array. So let's see how can we do this. So for let's say let I equals to 0 as smaller than names dot length I plus plus, and let's see how can we solve it. So I think we use names I the name, is that what we're using? Let me just try. What we were doing last time. Alright, good. So I'm gonna, let me just double check array push JavaScript. I can just say through step push. Alright, so var names. I'm just gonna say var names array, because an empty array. And let's just say names array the push names I dot name. Let's see. Hopefully it's return no errors. Good. So let me get rid of this, and then let me just console the log. Names array. Run it, and indeed, so it pushed all the items to the names array. And now we can do this. So add name to an array. We did that part. Just step 2. So step 3, we're going to add comma after each name until its last 2 names. So here's what we're going to do. I need a new for loop. I need a new for loop, such as light. I'm just gonna say a equals 0. A is smaller than names array dot length a plus plus. Alright, so we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna say so for default, where I have this, so let me think, how can we add comma? So let's see, can we change the array to a string? So array to string JS. Array to string. Yes. So we're gonna use this function. So let me before I do this, let me just do console.log. Names array. Alright, let's take a look. So we get good. So we get this. But we need to add comma. And we also, I mean, we need a space between the, not like that. Maybe I should add it in front of it. So empty space plus this, run a sample test. Okay, good. So now what I want to do, the only thing I need to do now is just change this. So maybe I can run something like this. If names so how can I change this to not comma? So we got automatically we have comma. How to add if, let's see what this word, I smaller than I minus 2. I'm gonna do something like this. Comment X. Let's push it right here. So let's see. It doesn't work. Greater than, I don't. So bar 0, Lisa. So what I want to do is I just want to push them regularly, like this, for only first, I smite them minus 2. That way, it's gonna only push these two. I don't even think this loop is actually working. If I smaller than I minus 2. Maybe the condition has some problem. So, I don't actually know it's a problem. The condition seems not. Maybe this line of code never get executed because I didn't get an error message. So ideally is I the length names the length minus 2. I'm gonna say that. Let's see. Indeed, we see it. Yes. And then else if. So then I'm just gonna say else names array dot push. Let's see how add ampersand in array JavaScript. Excuse me. So I'll get rid of the comma. How to get rid of the comma in array? I got rid of the comma. Remove elements. We need to. It's maybe a little bit more complicated than I saw. Names.I.name. Ampersand or minus comma. Dot name. Maybe I cannot do this. Okay, so what I want to do, so names the links. So if I equal to this, triple equal. Triple equal always work on most of the cases. No. Do they contradict each other? Yeah, they do. That's maybe the problem why it's not get rid of this. So if I do -1, it only got ampersand right here, but I really want to ampersand. So at the fourth place, how can I do this? I can use triple equal assigned to this. Why? No, wait, it's smaller than this. It's smaller, so I get this. If I can get rid of this. How to remove a single character from array in JavaScript. So stuff equal to this for var. So essentially I can replace it. So I can do this else if names I equals names dot links. Well, let me just do some console first. I'm just gonna say console.log I equals names dot links. I know this condition get executed. This why this condition never get executed? Why is this? Oh my god, this is so hard. A lot. Okay, so what I want to do is fix a condition right here. So if I smaller than name.length plus 2, I want to really check if I equals name.length. So, or maybe this statement never true, because I may add a -1 here. And yeah, now this time this line of code got executed. Where is it? I don't know. Yeah, because I didn't push the last two elements, I think. So I could just say the push wait, let me to see what oh here. Oh, shoot. Equals name. So that's what I did. -2. Okay, else. Just names array. It's not really efficient, I think, but I'm just gonna try to solve it first. Names I dot name, and I don't need to do any. Do I need to do anything? Yeah, no. Good. Plus space and percent. All right. Now we're go to the last steps. Here's what we're going to do. We convert them to a string. And finally, we want to get rid of the comma. Alright, we want to get rid of the comma. Please. Replacing JavaScript. Alright, let's see. With the Microsoft. Okay. Alright, let's do this. So just throw the main variable. Just gonna say, I didn't know that I need to change it, but var stir name array with this. And let me just console.log stir name array and run sample test. Good, it's working. And I don't care about the step. I'm gonna comment them eventually. So I'm gonna say I still need to look through, right? Yeah, always look through them. So for let b equals 0, b smaller than stir name array dot lengths b plus plus, and so when I see comma, so I'll replace this comma only. And just say console.log b 1 2 0 1 2 3. Let's see, what will this return to me? Oh, sorry, I mean stir name array. It loops for every single characters. Okay. Okay. How do I do it? Wait, I think there might be an issue before I handle this. I'm coming to sign out real quick. Console log, stir name array. So confusing. Oh, so far so close. Yeah, we work with Spark. Good. So I'm gonna get rid of this comma. I don't want to get rid of this comma though. So I'm gonna get rid of the comma. More values. I'm not sure what suppose I'm using, so let me just put this really quick. I want to see the return value of search. Maybe they are somehow related. 15. Let's give me 15. So what code am I using right now? So log n, so blue, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean the 15th character is blue. I don't know. Just try it again. Just give me 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Replace. I'm pretty sure I need to use replace somehow. What is a 0 for? Okay, so loop through this. Index of this. I need to split them first. So split them into each individual word. How to, what if I just don't want comma? How to create JS array without comma? Oh, what if I just say names the array, names the array dot join, no separator. I'm pretty sure I need to use string somehow. Let me just go. Sorry, got a phone call. Let me pause it.